Hey, it's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a review of the Economy Knee Kicker that you can get at Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight, and eBay. I did an unboxing video the other day, but now we're going to put it into action and see if it's any good or if you should bypass it and spend the extra money. So check this out. Now I'm just going to use the Economy Knee Kicker on a set wall. So for those of you that don't know, your set wall is a wall that you just kind of tap onto the tack strip, lock it in place, and then you stretch hard the opposite way to make sure it's nice and tight. My concern is that without the additional teeth on these kickers, that's going to leave rake marks. So that's why I'm just going to do a nice easy kick on this, and we'll see what kind of results we get. And this thing is super tiny, which I really don't like about it. Not horrible, but yeah, if I kick hard with this on this carpet, I get the feeling that it is going to leave rake marks. So far, if you are just a one-off type of person and you want to do a small betterment in your house, I think this kicker would be okay for you. If you want to get aggressive and start using it for jobs, I would say buy a used one for the same price, or save up your money and get a better model. Let's do a little bit more here just to see what we get. Yeah, the other problem I'm feeling with this is that it's actually pretty small. So when I'm kicking, my knee almost wants to miss it when I'm using it as a stretcher. So like I said, if you're the DIY type or you want to use it for doing small repairs, I think it's fine for that. As an actual installer, save your money, drop the extra $50, or go on eBay, buy one used for the $30 price point. So that's my tips on this Economy Carpet Knee Kicker. Stay tuned, because I think I'm going to give this thing away to anybody that subscribes. Drop to CarpetExpertBlueprint.com below the video, sign up there, and you may be the next winner of the Economy Knee Kicker. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.